Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If the light on your DeWalt drill keeps staying on even after you stop using the tool, it can be both confusing and annoying. You might notice that the light does not turn off immediately or sometimes stays on much longer than it should. This can slowly drain your battery and also make you think there is a serious problem with the drill. In most cases, this issue is not caused by a major fault but by a small delay in the internal switch system or buildup of dust inside the control area. Since power tools are often used in dusty environments, dirt can easily affect how smoothly the internal parts move. Sometimes the button does not return fully to its normal position, which keeps the light active. The important thing is to check the tool carefully and fix the small issues before they become bigger problems. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to fix a DeWalt drill light that stays on. Try these. 1. Safely remove the battery from the DeWalt drill before starting any checks. 2. Press the power button multiple times to check for sticking. 3. Clean around the button area to remove dust and debris. 4. Make sure the button moves back smoothly after pressing. 5. Insert the battery again and power on the drill. 6. Check if the light turns off properly after use.